What's going on, you guys? This is Max Kid. You have another Lenovo ThinkCentre, the M92p. This is the small form factor. Gonna be upgrades for gaming. So first I'm gonna show you guys the video card. I'm gonna be using the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. This is the Gigabyte. And when you buy them brand new, you get it comes with both with bracket, full height and half height bracket, low profile, and this is the one you have to install. Or if you guys are gonna be buying the GTX 750, this is the same. It looks just the same as the 1050 Ti. Actually, look at the back, even the same. It's got both two HDMI ports, display port, and a DVI port, and they're using the same brackets actually, full height and half height, low profile, using the same bracket. So the GTX, yeah, the 750, this is a 2 gigs, but they're better than if you guys are gonna be buying the GT 1030, then it's actually, this is faster, the 750. So I'm gonna go and remove this, and we'll also show you guys gonna be using the plastic bracket. This is the caddy for 2.5 inch. I'm using a Samsung solid state drive. This is 256, and a 2.5 inch hard drive for storage. And you have to buy the extra SATA cable, and you have to buy the Y splitter cable for the SATA power. So I'm gonna go ahead and, guys, lift this up quickly. Okay, so I have to go the other side. So I'll remove here's the plastic caddy pull, and you're just gonna, this little clip, you press it down like this, and it should lift it up. You're gonna disconnect the SATA and power cable. And it's got like clips on it, so you take like this, your finger, and you're able to remove the 3.5 inch hard drive. What I will do is this little, see where the PCI bracket here, the latch, you lift it up like this, and remove the video card. It's got a secure clip, so you're going to take your finger like this in the corner and press down the clip before you move the video card. So this is what you have to press it down like this, your finger gently press it down. So the video card installed on this one is, looks like a brand, okay, so it's a AMD Radeon HD 4350. Look like it's 1 gig. And this is a fanless, and here's the model number. If you want to get the same video card, you can probably get it online. Right, what I'll do is I'm going to lift this up, optical drive. I'm going to be upgrading the memory. It's got only 1 stick, 4 gigs. And that must be the channel A, the one right here, the green ones. That's gonna be channel A, and the blue ones must be the channel B. And I'm just gonna install the Samsung it's a DDR3. I'm using the match pair. So it's basically a dual channel, total 8 gigs. And I forgot to tell you guys, if you guys are going to be installing memory with a heat spreader, or like with the heatsink, I was going to install the Furry HyperX. It will not fit the green slots for the channel A right here. Reason why, it's blocking the little plastic right in the corner. It actually blocks it, so we'll not even install it. Unless if you're going to be installing channel B, then it will fit perfectly fine. But channel A does not fit, so I'm just going to use this one without the using the Samsung memory instead. Now what I'll do is install the video card. You're gonna move another. Here's a PCI bracket you have to remove, because this is using 2 slots. And the video card you guys are gonna be installing is through PCI Express times 16 slot, the black one, the top one. So the video card is installed. Now what I'll do is I'm gonna have to take the plastic, this caddy, and install the solid state drive and the hard drive. Install like this. You just have to use the If you guys asking why am I using a Samsung solid state drive, yeah, you pay a little bit, you pay extra. They'll last a little bit longer. The cheaper ones they sell, they're not gonna last very long. They usually go out pretty quick, a few months. If you guys gonna be not using just a hard drive, then just use you can just go ahead and use just like a 512 solid state drive Samsung, or you can just go with 1 terabyte for more storage. This is installed. Now I'm going to install, guys, another few more screws here. Look at the other side. Oh, those are 2. Those don't fit. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and install the 2.5 inch. This is for the laptop hard drive for storage. Like this. And that's how it's gonna look like. So see, this only has one SATA for the power for either hard drive or solid state drive. What you're gonna do is you're gonna plug it in like this. The Y splitter cable. So you're able to plug in both hard drive and the solid state drive. And you have to use so the mainboard drive, you see the one right here, number 1, that's going to be for directly to the solid state drive right here. This is the number 1 SATA port 1 will go directly to solid state drive. And it looks like, let me see, so this one, so I'll have to go ahead and change out both cables because those cables are L-shaped, not going to fit. When you start like this, it's going to be blocking out the other ports. So you have to buy 2 SATA cables actually. So I do have not a L-shape, just regular straight ones you have to buy SATA. Now you're gonna take this blue caddy and install it. So what I'll do is I'm gonna disconnect first before installing it. So I go like this. Now you're going to connect back to SATA and power. And this. And you're done. So I'm going to take the optical drive and slide it back. And that's how it's going to look. So you're going to close the side cover. I'm going to show you guys the back side. And that's how the video card is going to look like in the back. So yeah, guys, this will be the end of the video. So what you're going to do is you're going to install the clean Windows 10. Then you're gonna, when you install the drivers, you're gonna plug your monitor directly to the video card, either HDMI or DVI. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.